How to fix Instagram code not received. Hello guys, so in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram confirmation code in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do guys to fix this problem is just keep watching this video until the end. First step you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, scroll down, go to the apps, and then wait a few seconds, click on the apps again, and wait a few seconds. It will take you to this page right here. You will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Go to the Instagram, and after that go down here to the app details and click on it. And after you click on it, it will take you directly to this page. All what you have to do here now is very simple. Just click on this update option, and if you don't have the update option, then you have the last chance is just uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it again. That's it guys, this is very easy, I know, and you can try it, and I am sure that this trick is gonna be helping you a lot. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.